Dr. Star. Today we are going to pack client order the backpack and then make sure it's ready for shipping. So after we get the pack out of the warehouse, we check all the zips, make sure all works fine, and zips like this checked, and all the buckles. We checked all the details, make sure it's ready. So this is a solar pack, and it's already tested by our professional QC. So make sure all the cables and instruction manual inside. We put it inside this protective bubble bag to make sure it will not be scratched during the transportation. So after it's packed, we put it inside this big compartment like this. So we zip it in. So this is our side. And we also have, as we are still in the promotion period for the summer holiday, so we have this waterproof phone pouch as a gift to client with a special note. It's written by hand. So we put it inside after it's ready. So we put everything inside this clear bag for dust and waterproof. So now we put this already packed package inside the carton. This carton is special designed to fit the size of this bag. So after it's inside, we will seal like this way. So on the outside of this box, we also have a printed packing list for client to easy to check once received. So that's about it before it's shipped out. Please enjoy it. Bye.